How to change pin location on Foodpanda. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your pin location on Foodpanda. First, open your Foodpanda app on your mobile device. Next, tap on Location at the top of the screen. Now tap on Add New Address to enter a new delivery location. Use the pin on the map to select your desired location. You can drag the pin to adjust it as needed. Then tap on Add Address Details to provide more information. Here, enter the street name and number, along with any additional details that may help the delivery driver. Finally, tap on Save and Continue to save the new pin location for future orders. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.